In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a Prezi template the right way, and I'll also explain an important limitation you need to know before you start. If you already have a presentation built in Prezi Present, you cannot simply switch it to a completely different layout template after the fact. That means the best way to change your template is to create a new presentation using the template you want, then move your content over. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to your Prezi dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main page where all of your presentations are stored. This is where you can manage existing projects, start new ones, and choose different formats. To change to a new template, the first thing you need to do is click on Create New. After clicking Create New, you'll see the available options for starting a presentation. Look for the template option and select it. This is the step that lets you browse Prezi's different styles and layouts instead of working inside an existing presentation that's already been built. Since Prezi does not let you fully swap out a finished layout template in the middle of an existing project, starting fresh is the cleanest approach. Now take your time and choose the template that best fits your topic. Prezi offers different visual styles, and the right choice depends on the type of presentation you're creating. For example, you might want a more professional layout for business content or a more engaging design for educational or creative topics. Once you find the template you want, click Generate. Prezi will create a new presentation using that template structure. Next, you'll want to bring over the content from your previous presentation. The easiest way to do this is to copy the topic or main content from the old presentation and paste it into the new presentation with the new template. This allows you to keep your ideas, text, and structure while giving the presentation a fresh look. Just make sure you review everything after pasting because content may need a little adjustment to fit the new layout properly. If your old presentation has multiple sections or detailed topics, go through each part carefully and transfer the information into the new design one section at a time. This helps keep your presentation organized and make sure nothing gets missed during the switch. It also gives you a chance to improve the flow, shorten cluttered sections, and make the new template look more polished. And that's really the best way to change a Prezi template. Remember, you can't directly switch to a completely different layout template once you've already started building inside Prezi Present, so the smart solution is to create a new presentation, choose your template, generate it, and then copy your content over. It's simple, clean, and it gives you much better control over the final result. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more Prezi and presentation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.